I've used Elementor Pro for years now, and I've tested it for creating everything from simple landing pages to full-fledged e-commerce sites and custom designed animations. When I first started using Elementor, I quickly realized that the free version wasn't enough for real work. For example, with Pro, you can create fully custom templates with shortcodes, use complex forms, add custom code elements your client need, design a fully functional and dynamic blog and post layout, build project pages that client can update themselves, and even customize WooCommerce product pages and archive pages. It also lets you create email sign-up forms that integrate with platforms like MailChimp. In this video, I'll break down the most important features and tips to help you master Elementor Pro and build stunning websites from day one. Installing Elementor Pro is straightforward. First, install the free version of Elementor from the WordPress repository. Then purchase the Elementor Pro from the official website. Yes, I know, Elementor can get really heavy due to all of these features and optimizations. To solve this problem, we built a free speed plugin called Airlift. Just paste in your URL and it will give you a 90+ page speed score in seconds. Just go to airlift.net and give it a try. You now have access to the theme builder. Let's start with the header. Open the theme builder, click on Add New, select Header. And Elementor will give you options to use a pre-built template or create one from scratch. I prefer designing from scratch, so I drag in my logo, a navigation menu, and a call to action button. Then I'll click Publish and set the display conditions to entire site. Done. The same process works for footers, blog templates, and product pages. If you want to design a custom blog template or product page in Elementor, then watch the video tutorial linked in the pinned comment below. Now, let's talk about dynamic content. This is huge if you're building a blog, portfolio, products, or any site where content updates frequently. Instead of manually designing each post or portfolio item, you can use Elementor Pro's single post template. Just go to Theme Builder, create a new single template, and insert widgets like post title, post content, and featured image. You can also use custom third-party plugins like Jet Engine to make custom product listings like this, which uses dynamic data to maintain your store. This pulls the actual content from WordPress and WooCommerce. So when you publish a new post or add a new product, it automatically follows the design you created. The same method works for custom post types, which is great if you're building a portfolio or real estate listing site. Another major benefit of Elementor Pro is its advanced widgets. The free version gives you the basics like headings, buttons, and images, but Pro unlocks way more. Animated headlines, price tables, flip boxes, sliders, and countdown timers, just to name a few. The form widget alone is worth the upgrade because it lets you create contact forms, sign-up forms, and even custom login forms without needing a separate plugin. Then there are the global widgets and saved templates. If you use the same section across multiple pages, like a call to action or testimonial blog, you don't want to manually update it everywhere. With Elementor Pro, you can save it as a global widget, which means if you change it once, it updates everywhere it's used. Next, let's talk about animations and motion effects. Elementor Pro lets you add parallax scrolling, sticky sections, and lottie animations for more dynamic designs. These effects can make your site feel more modern and interactive without slowing it down too much. I've created videos on how to add parallax scrolling effects, advanced container layouts, and many more. Just browse through the channel and you'll get a massive library of content that you can use across your site. I might also create a full Elementor Pro course if you guys are interested. So let me know in the comments. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really gonna thank me for this. So click here and I'll see you there.